Hey there, business superheroes. Are you ready to transform $10,000 into an astonishing $50,000? I'm here as your Facebook ads expert to unveil a captivating tale of how advanced pixel tracking morphed my investment into a hefty sum. This isn't just a story. It's a blueprint for you to replicate this success in your venture. Picture this. You're pouring funds into Facebook ads, hoping for a breakthrough, yet the results are as elusive as finding a needle in a haystack. Your hard-earned money seems to vanish into thin air, leaving you puzzled and seeking answers. I've been in those shoes, feeling more like a sidekick in distress than a caped crusader. My ad spend was like a black hole, consuming resources with little to show for it. The frustration was palpable, as each campaign felt like a shot in the dark. The game changer arrived in the form of Facebook's advanced pixel tracking. This tool isn't just a tracker, it's your marketing radar, offering insights into user behavior on your website. It's like having a behind-the-scenes pass to your audience's actions, preferences, and patterns. Let's deep dive into advanced pixel tracking. Advanced pixel tracking operates like a beacon on your website, meticulously monitoring activities and interactions. Whether it's a product viewed, a cart updated, or a purchase made, each action is captured, offering a granular view of your visitors' journeys. Let's break down the implementation of your Facebook pixel with more specific and actionable steps. How to easily implement your pixel sidekick. Create your pixel in Facebook Ads Manager.
To business.facebook.com. To the left will be a menu. Go to Events Manager. On the left will be another menu. Look for the plus symbol. It says Connect Data Sources. Select Web if it's your website. Click Connect. You're going to name this data set. So blog. This is the name of the website. Blog.will. For us, you can name it any description you like. Put your website address here. Okay, so once you enter your domain here or your website address, or if you don't have a website, you can click this box. Click check. Okay, now you can see it turned into a next. Click next, and you could do it yourself or get guidance. Let's try to do it yourself. I'll show you how to do it. For this video training, just click Metapixel only. We'll go into another video about advanced techniques later on. Let's just get you set up. Click on Insert Code Manually. I'm going to teach you the better way so you can do it yourself. I want you to copy the base code here, copy code here, and if you have a WordPress site, just go over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, add a new plugin, type in Facebook Pixel, scroll down till you see the one I like called WP Code Insert Headers. Has 1,310 5-star reviews. It's very easy and it's free. Just click Install now. Make sure to click Activate. Once you see that installed and activated, make sure to click Enable Auto Updates, Code Snippets, and we're going to add a new snippet. Snippet is just a basically thing for a small piece of code. Let's add a new one. Okay, click Add Your Own Custom Code. Very easy. Remember we had copied this code. If you lost it, just copy again. Go back here. Go here and paste. That's all you have to do. Save snippet, and that's it. There, any device, and that's about it. Let's go over here to the Events Manager. Paste code to the website. Let's gonna test it. Now you want to turn on advanced matching. Get as much information as possible. So let's get the gender. Let's get the email, first name, last name, phone number, external ID, the country, the city, date of birth. We don't need that because you may need to get security clearance. Okay, click Go to Pixel Overview. Now, as you can see, blog.willelite.com is set up. Now we have to test it. Okay, so you see here, it says Test Events. To test your Facebook Pixel, I want you to go to Chrome, your internet browser Chrome, and then type in Chrome extensions. Then we're gonna scroll down till we get to the extensions. Chrome Web Store, search extensions, and Facebook Pixel. And you're gonna look at this one, the first one, it says Meta Face Pixel Helper, excuse me. Click that, and I already have it installed. Just click Installed, and it will appear here. Hold on a second. If you don't see it, you may be under this little puzzle icon, Meta Pixel Helper. Make sure that it's pinned. You see how it's unpinned there? There, it's pinned. You see it here? Now this one doesn't have a Facebook Pixel. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna test. We're gonna go to our website, blog.willelite.com. this should turn blue if it's installed correctly, and it doesn't look like it is. So let's see the problem. So we went back to the snippet here, and if it's inactive, make sure to put it active and update that code. So we'll go back over to the website and we'll just click refresh. As you can see, the Facebook pixel has turned from a gray to a blue, and it has a 1, kind of suggesting that there is 1 pixel found. Now, as you can see, this window here has a couple of icons: setup events and troubleshoot pixel. Click troubleshoot pixel, it should take you right over to the pixel. And as you can see, a page view process at this time has been processed. So everything is done correctly. And that's it for installing your Facebook pixel. Hope you liked the video.
Pixel setup by choosing from a list of standard events or creating custom ones tailored to your business needs. For setting up events without coding, use Facebook's event setup tool, which allows you to assign events to certain buttons or pages directly from your Facebook account. 4. Test your pixel. Use the Facebook Pixel Helper, a Chrome extension, to verify that your pixel is firing correctly. It will show you in real time whether events are being tracked and if there are any issues with your pixel's implementation. Perform actions on your website like a user would. Visit pages, add items to cart, make a purchase, to ensure these events are captured by the pixel. 5. Start using data. Once your pixel is collecting data, use this information to refine your advertising strategies. For instance, you can create custom audiences based on the behavior of website visitors or retarget people who have taken specific actions on your site. Analyze the data from your pixel and Facebook Ads Manager to see which types of content are driving the most conversions, and use these insights to optimize your ads. By following these detailed steps, you're equipping your business with a powerful tool to understand and engage with your audience better, ultimately driving more effective marketing decisions and increasing your ROI. The result? My initial $10,000 burgeoned into $50,000. This wasn't mere luck. It was a strategic, informed approach leveraging deep insights to resonate with my audience and amplify my returns. Now, it's your turn. Armed with advanced pixel tracking, you're not just a business owner. You're a strategic maestro, orchestrating campaigns that speak directly to your audience's desires and behaviors. Embrace this tool and watch as your business scales new heights, turning ad spend into substantial growth. Your journey from a business owner to a marketing visionary starts here. Struggling to set up your Facebook ads? Let our team at Firewire Ads take the reins, so you can concentrate on the bigger picture of your business. Discover our services at facebook.firewireads.com.
Like and subscribe and learn how to make money online at firewireads.com.